We are pleased to show you the 2022 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, remote trunk release, tires front all season. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.